Hi, my name is Michelle Thomas. I am currently a kindergarten teacher in the West Claremont Local School District. This is actually the same school district where I went to school when I was younger. And this will be my fourth year teaching all day kindergarten. I absolutely love teaching this grade, and I couldn't imagine teaching another one. A little bit about myself. I just got married last June. My husband and I bought a house recently, and we have a golden doodle puppy named Toby. My experience with technology is not huge, but it has definitely grown since working on getting my master's in instructional technology. I've started using more apps in my classroom to enhance lessons. I've also tried to use more interactive technology with my smartboard. My students really seem to like these approaches that I've been doing. Um, Something I hope I hoped to get out of the MTI program, or MIT program, I'm sorry, is to better understand how to include technology in my classroom. And this program just seemed like a great way to do it, and it allowed for me to take online classes at a speed that worked for me and my schedule. A challenge that I feel like I have in my current role is just making sure that I'm doing enough to help my students succeed and learn. I feel like all teachers have this struggle and this challenge just because you want to make sure that they're getting everything they need. You don't want to be giving them too much information at once, so it's just hard to make sure you're finding that balance while also making sure you have time for yourself. And not spending hours at school because then you're going to get burnt out more quickly. So that's still a challenge that I've been working on. And then my future plans. So my future plans are to hopefully continue being a kindergarten teacher. I plan to stay in the West Claremont Local School District. That's where we bought our house, so I really like working and living in this community. And then hopefully continue. I coach cross country at the high school in West Claremont, so hopefully continuing to be an assistant coach there and help out. I love to see the students succeed both in the classroom and then on the field, doing things in their passion. So thanks, and I look forward to learning with everyone.